So we have different eyebrows here. The one I use Devis and the one I use Maca. So you're going to tell me which one is do you prefer more. The one I use Maca is the one by my right, by my left, sorry, and the one I use Devis is the one by my right. So tell me which one do you. But before then, let me show off the product that I'm using for the brow tutorial. Let's go. Please guys, don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Base I'm going to use, then this I'm going to use my by color amber, use Jacqueline. I'm going to mix two concealer, which is my two Jacqueline. I'm going to use my glue to time it down. So I'm using my eye pencil. This is normal Devis eye pencil. You can hair brush to brush my brush. I'm going to use to draw my eyebrow. So for me to start, I'm going in with my amber, which is my translucent powder. Then I go in with my classic glue, just a little glue. I still use my amber to clear it down, okay? So I'm starting with my Devis eye pencil. You can see I've sharpened it so well. So I've seen how perfect it is. So I'm going to sharpen this Devis eye pencil again so that I can use and stroke it one by one. You have to keep your eyebrow very simple. So we're going to see the difference between this one. I'm using just eye pencil, then the other one I'm going to use my marker to draw it. So let's see the difference. Which one is more final? Do you get? We're going to use marker to draw the eyebrow. This side we'll use normal Devis. So let's see which one is going to be more final. Do you get? So let's start. The same way we're using Devis to stroke it, we're also using Devis. So you see, it's time to contour. Then look at this way. Which one is more natural? Which one do you prefer? Which one do you love most? I know you say you love this one. Okay, so let's contour it. Color. See, different colors. So this is what we're using to contour it. With my brush. I see. Look at it closely and go back. So you have to blend it perfectly well. Blend your concealer very well. Blend it so well. Okay, that's it. Because I'm taking this to the market, I'm still going to go out with this like this. So I'm going to conceal the top. I'm starting from here. I see. So beautiful. So I'm using a natural light. I did not use ring light, so you don't even need to really bother about if you have ring lights or you don't have ring lights. As far as so you see, let's keep going and see which one is going to be more beautiful. Even myself, I'm shocked. Oil, so that oil will not come out back.